Hi, this is Krunal. I'm here with one more video on MFA using conditional access. In this demo, we'll be using conditional access to force user to update their security info from known network. To start with this, make sure you're logged into Azure Active Directory with global admin or conditional admin account. To create the conditional access, we first had to assign a known network. So under named location, we'll create a location, new location, let's say safe IP network. Make sure you mark that network as a trusted location. Add all your corporate IP or IP pool there and hit create. This will create a name location called safe IP network, as I say. The next step will be creating a policy. Under policy, click new policy and let's define a name, security info using known network. So under assignment, so let's say all users. So under user and groups, we'll select all user, and exclusion, we'll make sure if something goes wrong with the conditional access, we are putting one global admin there which can go back and revert the settings. Under cloud apps and action, we'll be selecting user action, register security information there, click done. Under condition, we are not going for much as a condition. We are only blocking or allowing certain things under location. So we'll go to location, enable that any location as a policy, and exclude all trusted locations and click done. And the access control, this is the main part which define either allow or deny the condition. So over here we'll be selecting block access and select, and yeah, you can enable report only mode as well. Now this is a new feature recently rolled out on Azure Active Directory. This will say on and click create. This will create conditional access policy, so you can see it. You can see the state is on. So now we'll test it. First, we'll test it from the other location, which is not part of the known network. So let's start first checking with the IP. So under what is my IP, you can see the IP address assigned is a different. So on the next tab, let's open the security info page. So we'll use a test user 4 account to test the scenario first here. So let me put the password. Stay sign in and all. Let's say for now no. And the next page we'll receive is you cannot access this right now. It also says you are successfully logged in, but does not meet the criteria to access this resource. So let me try opening the same page on the current system, so where we are setting up everything. So here you can see the IP. Let's open the page here and try to log in the same account on this system. And let me try putting the password. It says you required more information. So this is a sign. It is prompting to go for security requirement there. So when you click next, it will prompt you the additional security verification page where you can assign a mobile app or authentication phone. There's like two ways currently set up for my tenant, so I can use one of that. Receive notification or use verification code, you can define it here and click setup. That will set you up the Microsoft Authenticator app. So you can see now when user trying to register themselves from known network, they are able to register their security info there, where if they try to do the same thing from the unknown network or the different network which is not registered as a known network, they get access denied.